Dear students, now I will discuss with you various accounting software which are used in the computerized accounting system. As you all know, software are the programs or set of instructions which are given to the computer on the basis of it functions. Because computer itself does not have any decision making till now, but it function only on the basis of the instructions commands which are given to it. So those instructions programs, they are called as the software. Like in all the various fields, various types of the softwares are used. Same way here, with reference to the accounting, various types of the softwares are used. Now, how and what type of those softwares are there and how they are to applicable, let's understand. What accounting software is? An accounting software is an integral part of the computerized accounting system, because without the software, the accounting computerized system cannot function. Secondly, what the need of accounting software is there, why accounting software is needed when computerized system is replaced with the manual system. As soon as when an organization or an entity switch over from the manual accounting system to the computerized accounting system, it needs the software for updation of this. And then when computerized system already existing in the organization, and it has to be altered according to the recent changes. What it means, that computerized accounting system is already existed in the organization, but as you know that there are regular changes in the laws, there are regular changes in the accounting standards, and when those changes is to be amended, when all those changes is to be included in the computerized accounting system, we require the need of software. You all know that laws are regularly changing, like the GST is there, regular amendments and changes in the GST is there, various types of the changes in the direct and indirect taxes is there. So those types of the changes is to be inculcated in the computerized accounting system with the help of the various softwares. All the different type of the software which are used in the accounting can be classified into three broad categories. First, it is called the ready to use software, and ready to use software again further to be customized software and tailor-made software. Now, ready to use software, as the name indicates itself, those software which can be easily and directly applied in the system without any type of the changes. Ready to use software is there, those type of the software which are available in the market as a package, and directly you can run on your system for the various types of the functions in the computerized accounting system. Ready to use softwares are those softwares which are directly applicable to the computerized accounting system. Ready to use software which are available in the market for users at large and not for specific users requirement, means they are the common softwares, and all the accounting computerized system they can apply to this. But if any user had their specific requirement, they could not be used for them, and they can be first altered and then they could be used. So ready to use software are available in the market for users at large and not for specific users requirement. For example, Tally, for example, X, for example, BG, and various types of the other computerized accounting systems are available, and you can function on the basis of that, and they are easily applicable to the system. So they are called as the ready to use software. But in case organization require any changes, you are required to make the amendment in these softwares as per the need of the requirement. Now, what the advantages of such type of the softwares is there? That it is very easy to learn, cost of installation is low, better after sales services, take care of the problem area. Now these are the certain very common simple advantages of the ready to use softwares, that it is very easy to learn, then cost of installation is very low, they had the better after sales service, they also take care of the any problematic area if there is any problem. What are the disadvantages of these? Disadvantages are there, that these software uses laser printers which are costly than the dot matrix. Nowadays, you come across most of the organization, they use the laser printers. Earlier, the organization, they use the dot matrix. So basically, the dot matrix is cheaper and laser printers, they are costlier. So cost effectiveness is the other one disadvantage. Level of secrecy is very low because they are readily available. Anyone can use for them. So secrecy could not be maintained. Offer very little scope of linking with other information system. If there is any link is required for other information system, then it could not be linked very quickly, and then suitable for the small organization. It is also very good for the small organization, but it is suitable only for the small organization. For large organization, it is not good. They have to require to make the amendment to the changes in this very simple software. Now come to the second category of software. They are called the tailor-made software. Tailor-made software means developing a software according to the needs and specifications of the user. These softwares are not available off the shelf. Dear student, as you know, I told you ready to use softwares are those software which are directly implemented and used without any changes. But if the user need any type of the changes, if some refreshment or some changes are inculcated or required in the software, so they have to get the tailor-made software. Like you want to get the stitch your dress from the tailor, so that is to be as per your liking to be stitched. And ready-made dresses, they are ready to use like softwares. So same way here, tailor-made software means developing a software according to the needs and specification of the user. Whatever the needs and specification of the user is there, the software is amended accordingly. These softwares are not available off the shelf in the market directly. They are not available. You have to purchase a software and then you have to make the alteration or changes in that software. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of tailor-made software is there? That these software take care of the specific need of the enterprise. Every enterprise, every organization, they had their specific needs. So these type of the softwares, they take care need of the specific enterprise requirement. Then the level of secrecy of data and authenticity checks are robust in the software. The secrecy of data can be maintained. Authenticity means genuineness. Factual checks are robust in this software. In those types of the softwares, we can include those type of the checks and controls through which the secrecy of data can be maintained, and the authenticity means the originalness, the genuineness of the data is to be maintained. They can be effectively linked to some other information system. If there is need of linking of those type of the information to the other information system, they can be very easily and effectively linked to other type of the information systems. Coming to the disadvantages of tailor-made softwares, very simply and very easily, that they are costly. Definitely, when you have to alter a particular software as per your requirement, it becomes costly. Then difficult to learn and require specialized training. For learning the tailor-made software, a particular type of the training is needed. So automatically sometimes it becomes difficult. Not all the time to learn such type of the specialized training requirement is needed. Then if the accounts are grouped in an incorrect manner, the result will be misleading. As I earlier told you that computerized accounting system function on the basis of the programs, softwares or the instructions which are given to them. If the accounts are grouped or coded in an incorrect manner, if at the beginning the entry is wrong, recording of transaction is wrong, or the software has not been functioned in a systematic manner, then automatically what the result or output is there, that output or result will also be wrong or misleading. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of the ready to use softwares and the most important tailor-made softwares. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will continue your queries and doubts clearance in our regular or in our online classes, and the remaining part of this topic will be continued in my next video or in my next class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.